Welcome to Tony's Kitchen. If you have plans to bake a hen, you're going to prepare it exactly the way you would a turkey. This video is about the very first step of baking a hen. After it's been thoroughly washed, dry and chalky roast chicken breast can be transformed with softened butter. It is a good idea to slip your butter under the skin of chicken breast. 2 tablespoons of butter mixed with 1/2 teaspoon salt and spread underneath the skin of the whole breast before roasting. It will baste the white meat while keeping it juicy while adding flavor. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment and ring the bell so that you get the latest uploads.